Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how you can see how many coins you have in your account of TikTok. I see you that through some screenshots in my phone. So the first step is go to the option of your profile, and here in the superior left corner you need to go to this button of the ball of soccer ball. And after you put here you are here in this part, in this menu, and you have your code of referral for refer to a friend. And that's it, and that's the way you can win that coins, like send you that code to the people, and the people need to use TikTok for 30 minutes, for example, and you win that coins. So you can send that code of invitation of refer, and for you see how many coins you have. You can go to the superior right corner in the menu of your coins. You pick here in the bottom of the coin, and you can see how many coins you have. So this is a test account, but here you can see how many coins you have in your account. So this is the process. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.